Hey everyone, iPhone buddies, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into something super cool. Checking your iPhone health using 3utools, checking if it's genuine or not, checking if it's a refurbished device or a genuine main device. So, whether you are an iPhone expert or just getting started, you are in the right place. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's learn together. First of all, open your browser and search for 3utools and hit enter. Here you can see the first website. Click on it. As you can see, it is the official website of 3utools. Now we have to just click on the download option. Nothing to get worried about. And if you are using a Windows computer, then select Windows, and if you are using a Mac or MacBook Pro or something like that, then use a MacOS. So I'm using my Windows computer, so I'm clicking on Windows. As you can see, the download has started. It may vary depending on your internet speed. Let's wait. As you can see, the program has downloaded. Now we have to open the program first. Let me close it. I'm opening it directly from here. Click on open, and it will ask you for a permission. Click on yes. So after opening the program, you will see this interface. Just simply agree and click on install. So it's time to launch the program. We have successfully downloaded the 3utools program and it has been installed successfully. So in second step, we have to connect our iPhone with our computer. So I'm connecting my cable with iPhone. As you can see, it's popping up a message saying device is connected. You just click on OK, and as you can see, it's showing all the information of my iPhone, which iPhone I'm using, which version is that, the battery health of my iPhone, everything is showing here. And we can also test the iPhone for a verification report if it's a fake or refurbished one or something like that. In my case, I'm clicking on verification report. Click on authorize view. As we can see, my iPhone is a Apple refurbished device, which is also authorized by Apple. So my testing score is 97, which is good. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and take care.